So we've been here half an hour, had a cup of coffee, just to see what was going to go on tonight. And here they come rolling in. Yeah, so we'll see what happens, shall we? All the barriers have now got signs that say they close at 9. Whether someone's going to come out and put the barriers down, we don't know. But that's 3 or 4 police vans just turned up, so it'll be interesting. There's a police car further around the corner.
I've got to be careful, I'm on the nail. Why is this happening every single time?
So tonight's episode might be just filming the police to see what they do tonight, to see what happens down there. I can't see how they can stop people driving round, but we'll see what they do. Right, I'm just going to have a walk down past the police van here to see what's going on around the corner. So yeah, it looks like they're here on force tonight, so we'll have a walk down to see what's going on. So yeah, it looks like they're questioning every car.
Right, what piece of paper is it you need?
All the stuff we need to write.
Yeah, it looks like they're checking every car tonight. They've actually got an area cordoned off. I'm assuming any modified car that's not got the correct details on it, they will stop. Okay, let's have a walk right down to the end and back, see how many police there are. Do they really need that many police to come down here? Yeah, it looks like they've got all the equipment here tonight. All the proper stuff to check all the cars by the looks of it. I might have to swing this round so I can film what's going on. So yeah, let me just spin it round. Look how many police are here. This is mad. So yeah, it looks like everyone's being pulled over. Doing it proper.
Thinking you're alright?
It's mad, isn't it?
It's in the middle. Stop!
So let's see what we're checking for.
Stop! Don't try and drive away, stop cars right now. There's no cars.
So I think there's further police cars all the way up over here, so if you miss this part here and you try and make it up the road, there's some further ones all the way up there.
Just switch it off for me, jump out.
Yeah, no, they're literally pulling out. They're pulling every single fucking car over.
Is it your car? Obviously the reason that we stopped is that if you put that on there.
Oh yeah, I have.
How long is it?
So they don't like his number plate. All I think they can do is check for cars for anything wrong with them. It's just a way of having everyone together, and they're just going to check all your cars. But I mean, they've got all the gear in the car. Checking tyre depth. Proper reports on all of them, look.
Which you wouldn't have done. No, you said pretty sure. You've also got a crack in your windscreen, which is an MOT fail.
Wait, we look at.
So yeah, these are the traffic police, and I think they can inspect cars and check stuff.
How's the sun? So the air filter's not standard. Okay, so you bought it like that again. Okay, you bought it like that, but it's not come to BMW like that. Okay, so at least 2 modifications. Suspension, the wheel of the system. One of the suspension is one of the stock is factory suspension.
So
they are lowered springs.
I think they're checking that cars have got modifications and have you declared them.
So I'm kind of
So yeah.
I'm advising you on that. However, that is aftermarket. That's not
How you doing? You alright?
That's not factory.
Sit tight, yeah?
Is it? So,
Is that a stinger, mate, in case anyone tries to drive past?
Yeah.
You really think people will?
People, yeah.
You okay with me filming, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm then trying to work out what you're doing. Is this just to check everyone's car's legal?
It's basically to interrupt the activity that they
Yeah.
drive.
Where does the law stand with people just parking in the car park?
That's fine.
That's fine, is it, yeah?
As long as they're not causing a nuisance or danger,
Yeah.
then, you know, we're quite happy for that to happen.
Yeah. So yeah, he explained it quite well. It's just to interrupt this meeting, really. And he's even got his stinger ready for any car that tries to escape. So if you've got a legal car and you're sitting there doing nothing, you haven't really got anything to worry about. But they will check you on the way out. So let's have a walk all the way back and see what's going on up here. But yeah, it's an interesting one tonight. I've lost count of how many police are here, to be honest, but there's quite a few of them. I'm assuming they got all the stuff to check window tints as well.
Keep the windows down, man.
Is that all he stopped you for? Just
No, he was going to stop us anyway.
I'm not sure whether they've got too many cars now and they're just letting people go, or they're stopping these cars later on. We will see. So yeah, some cars are rolling out now, whether that's because they're looking normal or they're going to stop them around the corner. I suppose they can only search so many cars, but anyone who's got anything that looks modified, they're stopping. Tinted windows, exhaust, number plates, anything that doesn't look right, they're stopping. Not the night I was expecting, but it's still good to film. Are you up to illegal activities?
No, not.
Come on, go.
Nothing at all.
Can't be McDonald's, mate. Cheese.
Now, if he gets through, I'll be surprised. I think the police here are deciding, yeah, nice car, pull that one, normal car, illegal scooter. I think that's what they're doing, but most people are left now. Yeah.
We're going to get something out of what we need.
Right, let's have a walk back to the car. We've got to make a run for it at some point. Right, we're making a run back for the car now. Going to make a run for the exit, trying to get across the border from Mexico. How you doing, man? Right, so the last cars are rolling out. The police are walking around the car park. I don't really want to be the last car to leave on my own, because they're bound to want to have a look at it. Even though I'm an old fucker, they're still going to want to have a look at my car, I'd imagine. So we're just approaching the exit now, so it's a case of will we or won't we get stopped. I mean, the car's new and it's a clean car, but yeah, it is modified, so I reckon 50-50, we'll wait and see. So this is all the line of police cars here. I walked past it earlier, so you've seen it on the video anyway. But why they're busy with them, you never know, we might be able to creep out. There's a man with his stinger. Man, there's more of a car meet down here than there is up there. Where? See you later.
Where?
Wow, looks like we're just rolling out. A few more police cars to get through. They've even got recovery trucks here, look, to take people's cars away. Yeah, so they are actually seizing cars. There's a couple of mopeds gone on the back of that one. Well, I think we managed to escape. So that's a good night from VW Racing. That's it for tonight. Evening, everyone. We're out again. Tonight is a Empire meet, hopefully going into London. Where is she going? Up in there to get the shot.